Hi, I'm Dan with weBoost, and today I'm going to show you how to mount a magnet mount antenna on your vehicle. And this same process works on any vehicle, including a car, truck, or SUV. Locate a spot for your antenna on the roof of your vehicle at least 12 inches away from any other antennas, and at least 6 inches away from any windows, including sunroofs. Placing your booster antenna too close to another antenna may cause interference or block the signal. Placing the antenna too close to a window or sunroof may allow the two antennas to communicate with one another, causing feedback or oscillation, which will cause the booster to decrease its output power or possibly shut down. If your vehicle has an aluminum or non-ferrous body like fiberglass, you can still mount a magnet mount antenna. Once you've selected a location for your antenna, clean the vehicle's surface in that area, then place the antenna on the roof. The antenna features a very strong rare earth magnet that will hold it securely in place. Roof mounting the outside antenna provides the best results and gives you the strongest boost. But in some cases, you may need to mount it on the trunk of your car due to the vehicle materials or design. This is still okay. Just make sure that you mount the antenna vertically and provide adequate space between the outside antenna and the cradle. Understand that mounting the antenna on the trunk of your car will affect the performance of your booster. That's all there is to it. If you have a question, please leave us a comment or give us a call. And if you like the video, please hit the subscribe button and you see a video each and every week. We'll see you next time.